I recently had a prospective user of EstateAssist ask about the fact that it is a cloud-based application and some concerns or hesitations they had about having data in the cloud in light of potential security risks. Now, there are a lot of things that I could say about that. I could point you to the platform that we are hosted on, which has all of its own security protocols, or I could point you to the third-party professionals who did our security testing, and of course our team of developers who put everything together and made sure that it was safe as it could be. But I understand that there will always be questions about web-based applications. And so what I wanted to point out to you is that you can get all the functionality and power of EstateAssist without having to put any personal identifiers, account numbers, or anything of that sort into it, which is to say you don't have to put anything into EstateAssist that would not also be on the public record available to anybody who wants to see. Now let's just take a quick look at how this can be done. And we'll start by going into a case. And first I'll show you, if you are comfortable hosting data in EstateAssist, then of course we could take a look at an example of a bank account here. We have put in what is here a fake account number and an alternative public identifier. And of course, in doing so, if we go to our automated forms, we have our 45D that gathers all that information and automatically tracks it so we can print this and provide it to the court. However, you can do the same thing without ever putting in the account number or social security numbers or anything of that sort. You could simply use the public identifiers that you are comfortable with. So back to our bank account, we could take out this information, this account number, and simply go with the made-up public identifier or just the description of the asset, if your court accepts that, and the value. And you'll have all the information that you need for the forms to be populated and for you to carry on with your administration. Now, if your court does require the 45D and you're uncomfortable having that populated online, then one option you have is simply to download it and keep it on your local computer. So again, you could just put the public identifiers into EstateAssist, and then on your personal computer, if you feel that's safer, you could keep your 45D there and put in account numbers and the associated alternate public identifiers. So once again, you can really populate everything you need in EstateAssist without putting in account numbers, social security numbers, or anything of that sort. Certainly there are fields for those things, and it may help you in some ways, but you'll be able to get all the functionality of it without adding those things in if it causes you any concern. If you have any other questions about our security or how to use EstateAssist while keeping those public identifiers, the account numbers and personal identifiers off the system, please feel free to contact us. Contact@estateassist.app. Thanks.